So this morning is Sunday morning, and we got a lot going on. We got the countertops guys here, and we also have the plumber and the electrician here. They're trying to troubleshoot the hot water heater problem for the kitchen. So what I told them to do, so Neri thinks that we have a defective hot water heater, so I told him to switch them out because these ones are working fine. The hot water heater. So the hot water heater. Oh, I'll show you. They took. This is the problem that we're having with this hot water heater. So we took it off and we're installing it over there because this one's not having any issues at all. And we're taking this one, we're going to put it over here, and we're going to see if we still have a problem. If there's still a problem here with the hot water heater that's not having any issues over there, then we know it's a problem with the wiring. If we now have a problem over there and no problem over here, then we know it's the hot water heater that's defective. So we're troubleshooting. We're troubleshooting that now. This is the stove. This is a close-up look. It's a 5-burner plus a wok burner. It's pretty nice. The countertops will be going in soon. Let's go see what the Magic Duo is doing. So the plumber, so Neri had to go get the plumber out of bed. It's so funny. I love these guys. They're really good, really good guys. I don't know where they went. Not in here. I don't know where they went. Oh, over here. So we switched. So this was the kitchen hot water heater, and we put it over here.
Ha? Pila na ka minuto? Pila na ka minuto gipa agas?
It's still hot?
It have a control. If you want.
But it's still hot inside there?
Yes.
Neri, it's still hot? Yeah. Okay. So this was the hot water heater from the kitchen, and it's working fine. So now we're going to put the other one on. So we're isolating the problem down to the wiring.
Ha? Medium na.
It's good?
Ay, ito ano nga sila eh. What? Kapag tester ah.
So one good news, we don't have to replace the hot water heater. The bad news is we have to figure out where the problem is with the wiring. So those breakers are only 20 amperes, right? Okay.
And I will make this one, or I will put also this one to 20.
To the 20, okay.
Ipit ko na, matagal pa lang ang tuwa-tuwa niya. Ato mas taas mo.
Akong gantihos ko.
Yang itap niya. Tubig, gimana nga?
Hey guys, so this is just a cap off the hot water heater video. So it turned out that there was nothing wrong with the kitchen hot water heater. Mary thought it was defective, and I said, no way, no way it's defective. I'm not bringing that thing all the way back to Cebu only for them to test it at Wilcon to then tell me that it's working fine, and then I wasted a whole trip. No way, Jose. So I told them to switch them out. I said, take that hot water heater, the one that we think is defective, and put it on the kids' villa, which we know that one is working fine. That system is working fine. So they switched everything out. And it turns out there was nothing wrong with the water heater. And when he reinstalled, so they left the kitchen water heater, they put it over there in the kids' villa, hooked it up, boom, 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 boom. Everything was working perfectly. We had hot water, no issues. So all they did was reinstall the other hot water heater that was on the kids. They just installed it in the kitchen, and everything was fine. And so, so obviously there was a wiring problem somewhere, either with the breaker or with the hot water heater. So just by reinstalling it and reconnecting the wires, that solved the issue. And I love Neri, I love the plumber, but sometimes those guys just have so much self-pride that they just can't admit that there's a problem or there's a mistake with their work. They just have a hard time admitting it. But they do, and they get to it. It's just kind of like, you know, like you got to dig a little bit, you know. But all the hot water issues are solved. We have hot water. So that's it. And I just want to re-mention that please give Kyla a subscribe for her channel. She's really excited about it, and I know it's just a kid's video. It's a kid's channel, you know. It's just, you know, it's life through her eyes. You know, you get to see, if you watch. She's been carrying that camera since I gave her the GoPro, because she don't have a cell phone. So I told her if she does good, if she works hard with her channel, and she can build it up, and you know, if she makes some money with it, that'll be her money and her savings, and she can save it up and buy her phone. So help her out. Give her. I know. I mean, it's basically like I was saying. So I gave her my GoPro, which is still a very expensive piece of equipment. But she's been walking around with that thing all day yesterday, all day today. She took it to school with her today. She's just so excited. She's so into it, you know. So give her a chance. Like, I mean, you know, give her a subscribe for now, just so she can get her numbers up and maybe get a good placement in YouTube, and then she can pick up, you know, her own subscribers, you know, for her channel. So help her out. Give her a subscribe, guys, and make her feel good. She'll really be happy about it. So I'll put the link. It's Kyla's vlog, KYLA''S, Kyla's vlog in the Philippines. Give her a try. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. We got a lot of videos. I mean, I've got so many, and I'm not going to tell you what they are because it's a lot. We got some really good stuff happening in the kitchen. And the internet's been so bad, I haven't been able to get everything up. So I got like 6 or 7 videos waiting to go, but it's been so slow, the internet. So hopefully you get some good videos coming up before you guys wake up or not, depending on where you are in the world. So thanks for watching. Subscribe for Kyla. Subscribe. Thanks, guys. See you soon.